Hi, this is Warren Buckleitner, editor of Children's Technology Review, and today I'm looking at Action Graphing, a new math app from a company that we've never heard of, The Universe and More. Let's have a closer look. As a former elementary school teacher, I get very excited by apps like this because that they are a form of virtual manipulative. In other words, they put a child's hand inside of a math concept and let them fool around with it. In this case, it's the X and Y axis, and it deals directly with slope. Now, look over on the left as I move that character on the number line. I see a direct relationship between the position on the Y-axis. And that's really important to understand. You move through various levels here, and the more you succeed, the harder it gets. Now to set the slope, what you drag with two fingers, and that moves a little arrow to either the left or the right. You can set the slope using positive or negative. Now there's you see I'm making mistakes here, and you make a lot of mistakes with this app, and that's another one of the things I like about it. It's really easy to start over. And then you've got this calculator that looks complicated at first, but you realize you just tap anywhere on the graph and you can start to slide the values into the equation, and it really guides you. You really can't go wrong here. You see that when it turns green, you know you've got the variable in the right place, and then you just do some subtraction. 8 minus 0 equals 8, 4 minus 0 equals 4, and then you got 2 meters per second as this goes. So here we go, and it works. And of course you can munch on that ice cream bar too just by tapping on it. Lots of great interactive design techniques that were used to make this engaging. The music and the background sounds can both be turned on or off in your option. The kids have that control. And where this thing gets really interesting is when the time dimension is pulled in.
Here, you'll need to move Ruggles while the graph is being drawn.
Okay, now you can see that things are getting a little bit tricky here. I really have to concentrate, and I have to use the number line on the bottom to stay inside that lighter colored path. I quickly catch on to how to do it. This app is not very forgiving, however. You can jump out to the main menu, but there's no way to unlock the next level until you've mastered each, and so this really has a genuine challenge. I like the feedback mechanism here. It sort of instantly grades your path, gives you points accordingly, and then it gets into some really interesting ideas where you get to shoot stuff, which is always popular. But you have to use the coordinates in order to aim your missiles, and that's combined with the tilt mechanism of the tablet. So lots of really nice surprises around every corner with this math app. I'm going to show you two more levels here. I've only made it through about a third of my way through this app, so you can see that again there's a lot of challenge. This is almost a Flappy Birds kind of concept, but I have to use the graphs in order to find the holes in the coordinates, and that's pretty amazing. All in all, this is a really interesting concept. It's pioneering in many ways, of pulling kids' fingers into the math and making it engaging at the same time, while tapping into some tried and true play patterns. All in all, I highly recommend this download. I'm Warren Buckleitner. We'll see you next time.